Hello friends, this is Wave Academy Advanced Math series and we will study the important concepts. These concepts are important for SSC CGL, CPO, CHSL, Railways and other government exams. This is triangle part 2. In this we will study first area of triangle, second sine rule and third SSC previous year questions. This is triangle and property number 6. Area of triangle. First of all, draw a triangle. This is a triangle A, B, C. This is side A, B and C. First is P. P is the parameter of triangle. This is A plus B plus C. And S is the semi-parameter of triangle, means half of this parameter. A plus B plus C by 2. Now we know the hero's formula, area of triangle. Area of triangle is under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay. Now another formula of area of triangle is half of base into height. Means half of B into H. Now from this triangle ABC, this is H, this is point D. If from triangle ABD, H by C is equal to sine B. This is angle B, this is angle C, this is angle A. From here H is equal to C sine B. Now our area of triangle is half of base. Base is A into H is equal to C sine B. C sine B. This is our formula of area of triangle. And similar to this, half of B into C sine A and half of A into B sine C. Means if we draw another triangle, this is line X, this is line Y and this is angle alpha, then area of triangle will be equal to half of X into Y into sine alpha. This is question number 8 based on property of area of triangle. In a triangle ABC, if angle A is 120 degree, AB is 20 centimeter, AC is 30 centimeter, find the angle bisector AD. First of all, draw a triangle ABC. This angle is 120 degree. This is 20 centimeter and this is 30 centimeter. Find angle bisector AD. Find this H. This is point D. This is angle bisector. So this angle 60 degree and this angle will become 60 degree. So area of the triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ABC is half of base is BC, half of AB into AC into Sine A is equal to ABD half of AB into AD into this angle Sine BAD plus half of AD into AC into sine of DAC. Half of AB is 20 degree, AC is AB is 20 centimeter, AC is 30 centimeter, and sine A is sine 120. Half of AB is 20 into H into sine 60, and this will become 30 into H into sine 60. We know sine 120 degree. This is equal to sine 180 minus 60 degree, and this is in second quadrant. Sine is positive in second quadrant, sine 60 degree. So half of 20 into 30 into sine 60 degree. Half of 20 into H into sine 60 degree plus half of 30 into H into sine 60 degree. Sine 60 cancel out, 1 by 2 is also cancel out. This will become 20 into 30 is equal to H of 20 plus 30. H will become 600 by 50. H is 12 centimeter. This is example 9 based on area of triangle. In a triangle ABC, angle A is 60 degree, AB is 3 centimeter, AC is 4 centimeter. Find angle bisector AD. First of all, draw a triangle ABC. This is 60 degree, AB is 3 centimeter, AC is 4 centimeter. Find H. In this area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle ACD. Half of 3 into 4 into sine 60 degree. Half of 3 into H into sine 30. This one is sine 30 and this is 30 degree. Half of 4 into H into sine 30. Half is cancelled out. 3 into 4 into sine 60 is root 3 by 2. 3 into H into sine 30 is 1 by 2 plus 4 into H into sine 30 is 1 by 2. This is 6 root 3 half and H is common. This is 3 plus 4 H into 7. H will become 12 root 3 by 7. This is next example from SSC previous year questions. In a triangle ABC, D is a point on line AB and E is a point on AC. Line DE is parallel to BC if AD is to BD is equal to 4 is to 3, AE is to AC is equal to 7 is to 5. Find area of triangle ADE and area of triangle ABC. First of all, draw a triangle. ABC. D is the point of line AB and E is point of line AC. This is DE parallel to BC. If AD is to BD is 4 is to 3 and this is 7 is to 5. Find area of triangle ADE and area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ADE is half of AD into AE into sine A. This is angle A. And area of triangle ABC is half of AP into AC into sine A. Then half cancel out. AD is given 4 and AE is 7. Sine A cancel out. AB is 7 into 12. 1 by 3. Next is sine rule. This is most important for SSC, CGL, CPO, CHSL. First of all, draw a triangle A, B, C. This is H, this is point D, angle B, angle C, this is angle A. This is side A, B and C. Then from triangle ABD, sine B is equal to H by C. And from triangle ADC, sine C is equal to H by B. From here H is equal to C sine B and H is equal to B sine C. Then C sine B is equal to B sine C. Means sine B upon B is equal to sine C upon C. And similarly sine A upon A is equal to sine B upon B is equal to sine C upon C. This is our sine rule. So sine rule is sine of angle divided by the side in front of that angle, and sine of angle B divided by the side of in front of this angle, and sine of angle C, and this is divided by side in front of angle C. In a triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 30 degree, angle B is 90 degree. Find ratio of sides. This is triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, angle A is 30 degree. Then find ratio of sides. Let this is side A, this is B and this is C. So sine rule is A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C. This is 90 degree, this is 30 degree. This will equal to 60 degree because 180 minus 90 minus 30 is equal to 60 degree. A upon sine A is sine 30 degree. B upon sine B 90 degree. C upon sine C is sine 60 degree. And this is equal to constant K. Then ratio will become A is to B is to C is equal to K sine 30 degree is to K sine 90 degree is to K sine 60 degree. K is constant and sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Sine 90 degree is 1 and sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. This will become equal to 1 is to 2 is to root 3. Take the LCM of denominator and multiply this. So 1 by 2 is to 1 is to 3 by 2. LCM is 2. Multiply this 1 by 2 into 2, 1 into 2, root 3 into 2 by 2. This will cancel out and our answer will be 1 is to 2 is to root 3. This is triangle A, this is B, and this is C. We see in previous example that if this angle is 60 degree, this is 90 degree, then this size is root 3, this is 1, this will become equal to 2. And if this angle is 30 degree, this is 90 degree, so this will become 60 degree, and it is root 3, this is 1 and this is 2. If this is 45 degree, this is 1, this is 1 and this is root 2. In a triangle ABC, angle B is 60 degree, C is 45 degree. Find area of triangle if AB is 12 mm. This is ABC. B is 60 degree, C is 45 degree. This is given 12 mm. First draw a perpendicular. This is point D. This is H. This 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. We know that the ratio of the sides, if this angle is 60 degree, then this is root 3, this is 1 and this is 2. And this angle is 45 degree, this is 1, this is 1 and this is root 2. So this is 2 is equal to 12 mm, then 1 will become equal to 6 and this is root 3, so this will become 6 root 3. From this triangle ABC, this is 1 and this is 1. 1 is equal to 6 root 3, then this 1 will equal to 6 root 3. Okay. So our AD is equal to 6 root 3 and BC is equal to 6 plus 6 root 3. Area of triangle is half of base into height. Half of base is 6 plus 6 root 3 and height will become equal to 6 root 3. This is 3 plus 3 root 3 and this is 6 root 3. 18 root 3 plus 18 into 3 root 3. This will answer 18 root 3 plus 3. This is our last question from SSC CGL. Previous year questions. In a triangle ABC, AD divide BC in 1:3 and angle B is equal to 60 degree, angle C is 45 degree. Find sine BAD divided by sine CAD. This is triangle ABC. AD divide BC into 1:3. Angle B is 60 degree. Angle C is 45 degree. This is point D. Sine angle BAD, let this is alpha upon sine of angle CAD. Angle CAD is beta. So sine alpha by sine beta. Find out this. From triangle ADB, sine alpha by 1 is equal to sine 60 by AD. This is by sine rule. AD sine alpha is equal to sine 60 degree. And from triangle ADC, if we apply sine rule, then sine beta by 3 is equal to sine 45 by AD. AD sine beta is equal to 3 sine 45 degree. This is equation 1. This is second. Divide both equations. AD sine alpha by AD sine beta is equal to sine 60 by 3 sine 45. And sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and this is 3 sine 45 is 1 by root 2. If we solve this, then this will become equal to 1 by root 6, and this is our answer.